Hey YouTubers, it's Creative Ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond shape out of buckyballs. Okay, first you need 6 buckyballs. Okay, just make it like a circle, and then you should have known about the triangle. Okay, you have made this triangle. You need 32 of these. I've already made them. Okay, then you need to make it like a diamond shape. Okay, I'm gonna just show. See, I've made all of these. So first thing, I made all these 30 triangles. So just make that thing apart. Okay, and yeah, let's start. Just join it in the zigzag format, like this. Okay, I've got one big diamond. You need more one. Yeah. You need 4 big diamonds like this, okay? So, if it repels, don't push it. Because, okay, just make it down like this. And more 2 to go. Okay, more last one. Almost made it. Yeah, finished. So join these 2 of them and join these like this. Okay, it'll look like a cap. Just keep it aside. Do the same thing over here. Okay, just put it like this. See, we have got a diamond. It's not so perfect, but it's good for buckyballs. In a NeoCube you can do like this, but it'll be more good. Yeah, and thank you for seeing my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. It's just Creative Ideas.